willy-nilly. When we go to our dictionary to look up the word willy-nilly, we see first that it is an adverb and it is listed as an informal vocabulary word. There are two definitions for the word willy-nilly. The first definition describes something that happens even if the people who are involved in the thing don't want it to happen. So you're pushed willy-nilly into doing something you don't want to do. The second definition describes something done without a lot of planning or organization. So someone could say, I made a TikTok willy-nilly. I didn't organize it. Now, I only knew about definition number 2, and I'm curious what other English language teachers have to say. What definition do they know? All right, I am here with Chris. Chris, what does willy-nilly mean in your own words?
Well, when I do something willy-nilly, it means I do something really fast and really in a disorganized way.
Okay, great. Okay, everybody. We have a very special guest, Jordan.
Hi.
Jordan, what does willy-nilly mean?
Willy-nilly to me means when you do something at random without thinking too much.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay, everybody, we are here with Beata. Hey, Beata. Beata, what is the definition of willy-nilly?
Well, I usually use it to say when I do something carelessly, but I think it also has a second meaning, and I can't remember exactly, but I think it's something when you don't want to do something or you're doing it because you have to.
Very interesting. Okay, folks, so based on the research that we did willy-nilly, it seems like our second definition of this word is the most common definition. So most people know and use the definition of something done without a lot of planning, without a lot of care or organization. So try not to do things willy-nilly, plan them out, but sometimes it can't be helped.